Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install Python on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. At first, go to your search bar and search for Microsoft Store. Then just open up Microsoft Store. Wait for it to load. And when it fully loads, go to the search bar and then search for Python. Hit enter. Now from here, you'll find many versions of Python. Just search for the latest one. In my case, Python 3.12 is the latest one. So I'm just gonna click on it. Then here, just click on install. Then just sit back. You don't have to do anything. It will download and install itself. And after it has been installed, just go to search again. Search for CMD. Open up the command prompt. And in here, type Python -v and hit enter. Now you can see the exact version of Python that has been installed in your PC. And that is how to download and install Python on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.